I honestly haven't been excited for a video like this in a long time, but in today's video we're going to be installing GTR coil packs on the G35. Not only that, I'm going to show you guys how to save over $100 in comparison to the kits that are out there in the market. So I have 3 reasons on why I'm going to be installing this on my G35. One of the reasons is my coil packs on my G35 right now are basically done. I've noticed it and I basically diagnosed it to being the coil packs what's wrong with the car. The second reason is since I'm going to be boosting the G35, these GTR coil packs that I'm going to be installing will help out with spark blowout. And the third reason is these coil packs are actually the best in the market. They've done a bunch of tests where they have compared them, and the best top 2 coil packs are the GTR coil packs and the Audi R8 coil packs. Another thing is that a lot of people think that the 370Z coil packs are the same as the GTR ones, so they'll choose those to save a little bit of money as well since they're a little more inexpensive. They also did some tests on that and they found out that the 370Z ones are not the same as the GTR ones. Alright guys, so there's 2 things to note with these coil packs. One of the things is that the connectors are the exact same as the G35 ones, so you don't have to mess with any wiring. You can just plug them and they'll be good to go. But something you will need to be able to install these onto your G35 is these brackets. So these are going to be what's going to help to install these onto the G35. I got these on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description for these, but I did get a 20 pack for like 14 bucks. So it's a really good deal, and this is what we'll need in order to make these work onto the G35. So another thing to mention, you will need the coil packs that are on your G35 already. So if you have them, great. If you don't have any G35 coil packs, we are going to be reusing one piece from the coil pack, so you will need to have that. So basically what we're going to be doing is creating these brackets. We're going to do a countersunk hole, and we're also going to widen that hole a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and tap that hole. So if you guys do not have those drill bits, it will be a lot easier to have somebody else do it. I know not everybody has a tap and die set or drill bits or a drill, so if you guys are interested, I will offer that as a service where you guys can let me know by hitting me up on Instagram. Let me know if you want them and I'll go ahead and ship them to you. Even with this, you will save over $100 on this kit. So for the people doing it themselves, you will need the GTR coil packs. You will need countersunk screws. They are M6 by 1.0 and they're 12 millimeters long. Along with that, you will need these bracket adapters. This is linked in the description. What you'll also need is a tool that makes it able to make countersunk holes. Another thing you'll need is a tap that is a 6mm 1.0, and then the last thing you'll need is this drill bit that is a 15/64. For the people that do want to tackle this by themselves, I gave you everything you'll need so you can install these GTR coil packs on your G35. So this kit will run you around $345 depending on what tools you'll need in order to be able to do the job. But I bought the coil packs from Rock Auto, 55 each, so that was $330 for 6 of them, and then with that the $14 for the brackets that will hold on the GTR coil packs to the G35 valve cover. So altogether you'll be paying $345, and Concept Z sells their kit for $475, so you are definitely saving some good amount of money there. So this is really cool because you'll be able to save a lot of money if you are looking to get them. Not only that, Z1 Motorsports also sells performance coil packs, but they are $400, so you're still saving money if you do this yourself. Even then, they're not the R35 coil packs that you're going to be getting, so it's not the same product. Saving $100 is saving $100, so I hope you guys do enjoy that you're saving money doing this and you're getting the exact same product. So in order to get this, the first thing you're going to be doing is getting your drill bit, and you're going to go ahead and widen the hole a little bit more. After that, you're going to get your countersink tool, and you're going to make this countersink just enough to where the bolt can go through and it can sit flush on it. And then after that, you're going to tap this one right here, and you're just going to go ahead and go through it. And once you're done with all 6, you can install them on the car. So now that I explained everything you're going to need to do, which is quite a bit of work, I've actually been running one GTR coil pack, and I'll show you guys what you need to do with the ignition coil once you have it. But I've had it on there for months just to make sure everything was good, and it is. So with that being said, I'm going to be removing all the coil packs from the G35, all rest of the 5. Then I'll show you guys what you'll need to do in order to run the GTR coil packs. Alright guys, so here I'm going to show you what exactly you need to do so you can have your GTR coil pack work with your G35. So on the left hand side we have the GTR one, and on the right hand side we have the G35 one. So if you pair up the boots right next to each other, you'll see the G35 one is a little bit longer. So what you're going to do is grab the G35 one and put it on this side, so it is going to be going on the G35 one. The GTR one, you can just set it aside, you won't need it anymore. So now because we did go with the G35 boot, we'll want to match the side size of this with this one. So you're gonna stretch this spring with your hands and you're gonna make it go from this height even a little bit further up just to make it a little longer. So let me put the camera down and I'll make this spring longer than this altogether. Alright, so now you guys can see the left hand side is a GTR one, the right hand side is a G35 one. The reason I make them a little bit longer than the G35 one is so you can compress it down and make sure you have enough pressure on it. So that's why I make it a little bit longer, and then you have your resistor right here that goes inside on your coil pack for the GTR one. So I'm gonna put the resistor inside, and then you're gonna get this spring and put it inside your G35 boot. So once it's inside, you'll be all good to go. So this is your GTR coil pack, and you have your resistor inside, and then you have your spring somewhat all the way in. So what you're going to do is unite them, and making sure that the spring is touching the resistor, you're going to press down on it, and once it clicks, you should be good to go. And that's how you have a GTR coil pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the rest, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm done with swapping everything over. The GTR coil packs are ready to go. At this point we can go ahead and install them. I do have my brackets ready to go, so I'm gonna be installing them on the G35. So to show you guys why you need the bracket, it's because the bolts on the GTR coil packs don't line up to the original ones. So you're gonna use the bracket, and you're gonna have a countersunk bolt on this side, and then you're gonna have it threaded on that side. But like I said, everything's very straightforward. You have the same connector, you just have to worry about the bracket and making sure everything's good to go. You will be reusing your OEM bolt to have the coil pack secure onto the bracket, but other than that, very straightforward. So I'm going to be installing it on this side first, and I'll show you guys how it looks like after. Everything is installed on the driver's side already. So the one thing you will need to know, you are going to be swiveling around the brackets, but on the back one you will swivel it downwards. So this bracket is going to be facing down, and your coil pack is going to be twisted a little bit this way. Other than that, really straightforward, really simple to install, and it's going to be nice to have on the car. So now with that side all complete, we are going to start tackling on this side. It's the exact same premise, same thing, using the brackets and the coils. So let me go ahead and start installing everything. Alright guys, so everything is installed, everything is good to go on the G35. Went ahead and installed the rest of the coil packs, everything fit up nicely. I'm really happy with this one, and I'm happy that I ended up finding it for a good deal. If you guys like videos like these where I show you guys how to save money on products, definitely let me know, leave a comment down below. I'll try my best to make more videos like these, but they are kind of hard to make. With that being said though, let's go ahead and turn on the G35 and see how it idles. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I wanted to show you guys that everything is good with the car, so I wanted to take it out for a drive. It could be that my coil packs were completely shot, but I did notice a pretty big difference in the way the car runs. Coil packs do wear out, so you want to make sure that you replace them when you need to. That can lead to misfires, and you definitely don't want that. You know, even if you don't go with the GTR ones, just make sure you have good quality coil packs. Personally, I would not go with O'Reilly's or AutoZone coil packs. I just don't like all their sensors and electronic stuff. They're not good. Even though they have lifetime warranty, I just think you shouldn't need lifetime warranty if the product is good. So right now in traffic, it's idling at about like 850 because I have the AC on, but the needle isn't jumping anywhere. It's super consistent on the way the idle is, and that's what I always wanted and I wasn't getting. Obviously, if you're not gonna go boost, I don't really recommend this. It's kind of a waste of money in that sense. So there you guys have it. That is all for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Like I said, this was a video that I wanted to make for you guys, just so you guys could save some money if you were looking into doing that. I know not everybody's gonna want to get GTR coils just because they are more expensive than the G35 ones. I do see it worthwhile if you are planning on boosting it, or if you're already boosted, just because it will help out. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys don't have the tools to do the brackets, let me know on Instagram. Go ahead and send me a message and I'll be glad to do that for you guys. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.